Classic Caillou. Classic Caillou. It's time for summer school.
Why do you always have to make me do summer school?
Because you always have to cause trouble for me every summer. And if I get a phone call saying that you pulled the fire alarm in summer school, then it will be punishment day. Alright class, today we are going to watch the Chuggington Season 6 episode Not From Around Here on YouTube.
Corey Locomotive Productions, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Why does the fire alarm always have to go off every year on the first day of summer school? Sorry class, the fire alarm is going off, so I'm going to have to pause the video.
Ha 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 ha. That was so funny. Oh no! It's Corey Locomotive Productions.
Classic Caillou, classic Caillou, classic Caillou, classic Caillou. I heard you. You pulled the fire alarm in summer school for the third time. Come with me to the principal's office.
Classic Caillou. Are you serious right now? This is the third time you pulled the fire alarm in summer school. That's it. You are suspended for the rest of the month. And from now on, only the workers in this school can set the fire alarm off. I'm calling your dad.
Oh, hello!
I'm calling you to let you know that Classic Caillou pulled the fire alarm for the third time in summer school.
Thank you for letting me know. He will get a punishment day. After Boris picked Classic Caillou up. Classic Caillou. This is the third time you pulled the fire alarm in summer school. That's it. Today is punishment day. First punishment. Watching all the Chuggington episodes with Rosanda. After all the episodes.
I didn't like any of those episodes.
Second punishment. Destroying your PC.
No, not my PC. My PC. It's gone.
Third and final punishment. Changing your shirt from gray to green.
No, I want my shirt to stay gray.
I don't care.
My shirt is green.
You are grounded for the rest of the month. Go to your room right now.